Good morning, students. This is Ms. Jasmine here, your social science teacher. So today I'm going to explain you on the topic understanding diversity. So, what do you mean by diversity? Diversity means understanding that each individual is unique and has individual differences. That is, it means a range of different people or things. So, we come from different backgrounds, belong to different cultures, worship in different ways, yet we live together. This is known as diversity. Let us study briefly about diversity in India. India is a home to a civilization that is 5000 years old. That is, different groups of people from different parts of the world were attracted towards India over the years because of its wealth. So, diverse races of people migrated into India by land and sea routes over time. Thus, this movement and migration of people is the reason for India's rich diversity. Now, let us study on the different types of diversity. They are landforms and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, religious diversity, linguistic and cultural diversity. So, our first type is about landforms and lifestyle diversity. A continent has various physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, and these features have an underlying influence upon the people who live in different landforms of the country. This is called as landform diversity. Physical and climatic features determine the economic activities of a region. Food, clothing, occupation and livelihood of the people is closely connected with the region's natural surrounding and climate. So, this is called as lifestyle diversity. Now, our next slide is about social diversity. A community is a place where people live together with a common interest of heritage. A community is made up of peasants, laborers, artisans, parents, teachers, students, and many others. So, for a comfortable livelihood, communities depend on each other. Our third topic is on religious diversity. India is a secular country. The word secular country means that it does not declare any religion as state religion. Many religions such as Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism and Zoroastrianism flourish in India. This denotes religious diversity. Our fourth topic is on linguistic and cultural diversity. The word linguistic means language. According to Census of India 2001, India has 122 major languages and 1599 other languages. This shows linguistic diversity. Next subheading is cultural diversity. The term culture refers to customs and practices of people, their language, dress code, cuisine, religion, social habits, music, art and architecture. Each of 28 states and 9 union territories of India has rich and unique ways of cultural practices. Popular dances and music of India. Music and dance go hand in hand. Popular folk dances of India are Bharatanatyam in Tamil Nadu, Kathakali in Kerala, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Yakshagana in Karnataka, Odissi in Odisha, Manipuri in Manipur, Satriya in Assam, and Kathak in North India. So, now let us conclude our topic. India has a multicultural society. That is, though diversity is visible in every aspect of life in India, we are united by the spirit of patriotism. So, India is known for unity in diversity. Thank you, children. I hope you all would have understood the concept diversity in India.